How to share games on Steam. Firstly, we are going to start the guide on the borrower's computer. So what you have to do is open up the Steam account of the borrower, and then at the top right you will find the option of Steam. Click on it, head towards the option of settings. Now go ahead and open this option of security, open it. Make sure you have enabled Steam Guard. Once you check this, now you have to log out of this account. Click on the option Steam given at the top left, and then click on the option of Sign Out. Once you log out of the borrower's account, now you will need to log in into the Steam account of which the games are being borrowed from. Once logged in, click on the option of Steam given at the top left corner. Click on the option Settings. Head towards the option of Security and make sure the Steam Guard is enabled. Once you check that, head towards the option of Family. Now enable for this option Authorize Library Sharing on this device. Once you enable for this option, now click on this option of Manage Family Library Sharing. With that, you will be directed to this page. Make sure the device is authorized. Once you check all these settings, now you can log out of this account and then log in back to the borrower's account and head towards the library section. You will be able to find the games. Below the game, you will find the option of Install. Click on that option. After you install it, now you are able to play the game. The main thing to know about family sharing is that with your game library, you can add up to 10 devices at a given time with up to 5 accounts. Well, this is how you can share games on Steam. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.